Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're talking about lashes that promise to bring drama, boldness, and a bit of glam to your eyes. If you're a fan of bold, voluminous lashes, this might just be what you've been looking for. I'm diving into the Tarte Tarteist Pro Cruelty-Free lashes in the goddess style, designed for that ultimate big, bold drama look. Let's take a closer look at whether they live up to the hype. These lashes are crafted from synthetic material, which is great for those of us who prefer cruelty-free beauty products. Synthetic lashes offer a lightweight feel, and when done right, they mimic the look and softness of natural lashes without any animal testing involved. So, if you're committed to cruelty-free beauty, this could be a real winner for you. The goddess style is all about that dramatic flair, perfect for a night out or any special event where you want your eyes to stand out. I've tested these lashes in different scenarios, from a full glam makeup look to a more subtle eye look for a day out. Let's talk about what really matters, how easy they are to apply and how they perform. The first thing I noticed is that the band is flexible, which makes the application much easier. The lashes are slightly more dramatic than what you might wear on a daily basis, but that's what makes them stand out. The length and volume really kick up your eye makeup game, and you get that full, voluminous effect. When wearing them throughout the day, I didn't experience any discomfort, which is a big plus for synthetic lashes. The lightweight material feels comfortable on the eyelids, and they stay in place without feeling heavy. However, because of their full design, they might not be the best option if you're looking for something more natural. If you're someone who gravitates toward a subtle lash, this might feel a bit too much. In terms of wear time, these lashes held up beautifully. There was no shifting or drooping, and they remained comfortable all day long. The band, while flexible, is sturdy enough to give you that lift without weighing down your natural lashes. As for the look, well, let's just say that if you're going for bold, this is exactly what you're going to get. These lashes instantly elevate any makeup look. When it comes to price, these lashes are on the higher end of the scale. However, considering their cruelty-free status, the dramatic look, and the fact that they hold up well throughout the day, they may justify the investment for those who wear lashes regularly or need them for special occasions. I'd say they're definitely worth it for beauty enthusiasts who are committed to quality and conscious beauty choices. That said, if you're someone who wears lashes less frequently or prefers more budget-friendly options, there are alternatives out there that might suit your needs at a lower price. There are other high-end lash brands that offer similar looks, but if you're looking for a cruelty-free option, this one definitely stands out in terms of both style and ethics. Brands like Huda Beauty or Lily Lashes also offer bold, voluminous styles, but they often come with a steeper price tag. So, if you're willing to spend a bit more on lashes that check both the drama and cruelty-free boxes, Tarte could be a solid choice. Now, a quick word on build quality. These lashes are sturdy and designed to last, with the flexible band contributing to both their durability and comfort. As for longevity, I've reused them multiple times without any noticeable loss in quality. A bit of careful cleaning, and they're good as new. In terms of customer support, I've found that Tarte has a solid reputation for being responsive to inquiries. If you ever have any issues or questions about their products, you can expect a quick and helpful response. For those of you on a budget, there are definitely more affordable lash options that can give you a similar dramatic look, like Ardell's faux mink lashes. But if you're invested in cruelty-free beauty and want something that'll last longer and give you that high-impact, luxurious look, Tarte's lashes might just be worth the splurge. To wrap it up, these lashes certainly deliver on their promise of bold, dramatic eyes. They're easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and versatile enough for a range of occasions. If you love making a statement with your lashes and are committed to cruelty-free products, I would definitely recommend giving these a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried these lashes, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.